Welcome to video number 3 in our page building exercise. In the last video, we left off after we put our thank you page in the sign up URL slot in our campaign form. The next step is to go back to your toolbox and select the Splash Page Builder tab and go to Splash Pages. The next thing we want to do is build our capture page. Again, when you name these, you want to just simply enter a simple description of what you are placing in here. So we will put capture page in the description. There's a limit to the characters you can put in here, so you may want to abbreviate some of these to your own liking. So we are going to create a splash page for our capture page. And as I mentioned earlier, for our capture page templates, we always use this empty page template. So we will select this and go down and update the template. Once we've updated the template, we will scroll down and go back to edit the page. In your Online Empire download, the next section will give you the templates for the capture pages. Now, there are 3 capture pages. You may use one of them or all of them. The thing you want to keep in mind is that the first 2 capture pages go with the regular splash pages that we will build later. The third capture page is with the free video splash pages only. For now, we are simply going to create the capture page to go with our basic opportunity splash pages. So all we'll do, again, is simply copy this code. But before we copy the code from the page, we want to get that autoresponder ID number that we captured earlier. And this is that autoresponder ID number. This is the only change you will need to make to this page. It is at this point I would like to recommend that you download the Online Empire Guide twice. One to save as a master copy, the other to save as an edit copy. The reason being, if something happens that the links in these pages aren't working properly, you will have a master copy to compare to your edited copy to see if there were any inadvertent changes made in the code that might be causing the problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this, and we are going to pretend that this is our edit copy. And we're going to create a gold bannered capture page. The only difference in these first 2 pages is the color of the banner that appears at the top of the form. The one banner has Online Empire in gold. The other one has Online Empire in silver. Your splash pages also have a gold banner, a silver banner, and then the other one has an animated banner that flashes back and forth between gold and silver. So if you're using a gold banner splash page, you would want to link it to the gold banner capture page so that it remains congruent in that way. All right. So this is our gold banner capture page, and we're going to pretend that we are going to be linking this to a gold banner splash page. But the only editing we need to do at this point is to go down to the bottom of this code and look for this highlighted area. As it says, your autoresponder form code goes in the highlighted area. So all we would be doing is going down to this highlighted area right down here and inserting that form code. And this is all you'll be doing. You'll highlight that, you'll click paste. And change that form code to whatever form code you were given. Then, after you've done that, and you may want to save this, you are going to copy this code. Just like this. And then you are going to enter it into this template. Again, you're going to want to change these tags here eventually, but we'll show you that in a moment. But you simply go down to the main content settings area. This is highlighting everything. But you just want to go to this area and click on this HTML tab in the middle of this toolbar. Bring up the source editor and simply paste the code into the source editor. Then hit update. Then you will click on the update settings button that is right below here. Update settings. Then you're going to want to view the page you just created. And that is your form with your autoresponder campaign code embedded in it. It's pretty much ready to go. Now you can close that preview tab. The next thing we're going to do is in your site title. This is what will show up in the browser bar. You want to change this to Online Empire. The description and keywords you really don't need to do anything with. And then just click Update Settings. With this template, the next thing we're going to need to do is to generate a background for it. Now, if we were to view this now, as you can see, we just have a plain background up here. We want to add some life to this, all right? And in our guide, we have some downloadable backgrounds for you. We have this numbered in these pages numbered. But you will find a page with capture page background images and the URL to access those. Okay, you simply copy this, place it in your browser. It will show you the picture. You download it and save it to a folder on your desktop or laptop or whatever you're using. And then the next step you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to this area. It'll say background color settings. You can also add a picture background, which is what you would want to do here to make this look professional. So you're going to click Change Picture. Now, you could use any one of these standard template images in All-in-One Profits, but it really makes it look nice if you use a background picture. What you'd want to do here is click this tab, and it gives you a selection of everything that's available here. But you're going to want to click this first selection, Your Uploaded Pictures. Now, if you're new to All-in-One Profits, you won't have any uploaded pictures yet, but you can add them. So we're going to click Select, and this shows your pictures. Now, to add add a picture to your library, and you see I have quite a few, there will be a tab at the bottom of the page that says upload your own pictures. So you click that. You then choose the file from your desktop or laptop that you want to use. And after you've chosen that file, and it appears here, you click upload file. And when you upload that file, it will show here. Then you want to go back to change the picture. Again, you're going to want to click on this tab, go to your uploaded pictures, and click select. For this background, let's say we want to use this image here, this fancy mansion. So we'll click on this, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click Update Picture. And this will show the current picture you selected for your background. The next thing you want to do is scroll down to the page, bottom of the page again, and go back to Edit the Page. Then click Update Settings. Then view your splash page. In here you will have your splash page. Now, as you can see, this is repeating this background. We don't want that to happen. So we're going to close this. We're going to go back to our splash page builder. And down here, you're going to see little things that you can do with your background. Do you want to scroll the background? You can leave this at yes or no. What is most important are these next two selections: background size, background repeat. For background size, you want to choose cover or fit and see which one works best. For background repeat, you want to always, for these types of images, large images, you want to select no. We are then going to update our settings and then view the splash page. As you can see, that has pretty much fixed our problem. We have a full image back here now. Okay. And that's pretty much all there is to creating your splash pages. In the next video, we'll show you how to create the splash pages that connect to these capture pages and how to link them.